Okay, the beam sections shown are fabricated from 1/2 inches by 6 inches steel plates. Which of the following cross sections will provide the greatest flexural rigidity about the x-axis? So they're not asking for any computation in this question. It's just which of these sections will retain the flexural rigidity. That's what the question is. So let me take my highlighter pen, just show you where we are. So that's what the question is asking for. So the number up does not really make that much of a difference. I'll be honest with you. Alright, so let's look at option A. Option A, if you look at it, if you place any loads on this type of beam, there's possibility that it will tilt this way. That's what I say, in the X direction. And if we place on option B, let's see, it can go either this way, it can sway either left, or it can sway either right. So option A and B is not good. Not good at all. Okay, let's look at option C. This is a little better. So let's see, if we place lows all over, let's say we place low like here, like go like that. There's one thing that this side, the left side will be good and the right side will be good. There won't be too much of a problem. They might still buckle a little bit, but not like big buckling. But what will happen to the middle one is that it will bend, and you don't want that bent. This is what happened to what happened when you have H pile, like for the foundation. You will see the bending like this, and it will look something like this, and that's not what you want as when the deflection occurs. So option C, let's take KP, we don't know yet. Option D seems to be the best answer, because if you look at it, this is the way we always design our beam. We want it to be in vertical, especially for H section. We want it to be in vertical that way, so that when we place load on it, it won't really deflect too much. So there will still be a deflection, but it's not that much. So option D seems to be great. Let me now tell you, before I move on, the best option is to have a circle. That's the best option. Let me erase that a little bit. What I wanted to point out is that when I took my exam, there was a question like that asked, they gave us a circular pipe, and they're asking us which option is the best between my circle. Okay, I think that is a little better. So if they gave you a circular like beam or pipe, I would say go with circle. Is the most effective way. But you have to look at the question, what the question is asking for too. So, but in this case, our option is D. There's no doubt about it. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video.